Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome in. Happy New Year to you all. We are Amos and Emily, a UK based couple with a love of the outdoors. And last year, you may remember, we completed our van build and we were ready to take the van out on some adventures. In this mini series, we take you to some pretty cool places in Wales, and in today's episode, we take you to a beautiful scenic spot for the big hike of the trip. So make yourselves comfortable, grab that leftover Christmas chocolate that we both know you're sick of the sight of, and enjoy.
Good morning from this beautiful place in Wales. Today is Boxing Day and we spent 6 hours driving here. Arrived here at the pitch dark and we haven't even seen what a beautiful spot we spent the last night. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. Let's make a coffee.
So Amos is currently prepping breakfast whilst I'm a pampered princess just sat here waiting for it. Today's plan is to park at Cadair Idris and walk up to the lake and maybe a bit further. We've done the lake before, haven't we? But looking at the weather, it looks like it could be a really nice day for this walk. So we're going to have some breakfast, drink our coffee and then see you on the road.
Guys, we still can't believe how nice it is at what, 26th of December in Wales.
I know. It's been nicer today than it has been in July.
It's amazing. So we just parked up at the Cadair Idris car park. I'm gonna butcher this name so many times today, but oh well, maybe one day I will learn how to say it. The car park is £4 for 4 hours and £6 for all day till midnight. We're gonna head towards the mountains and see. Maybe we're gonna do a full loop. Maybe we're just gonna go to the lake and back. But I think just because the day is so nice, we need to use as much as we can. So let's go. It's been such a nice morning. We had a really slow morning because we just couldn't wake up. We traveled here for 6 hours and we just needed some sleep. We couldn't get up. It was just so nice and peaceful.
We had such a good spot and the problem is that we knew that the weather was lovely,
yeah.
But we just couldn't.
As soon as I saw that like blue skies with literally no clouds or anything, I was like, no, we can't just stay in bed. Hopefully we're gonna get up the top and gonna have a really nice panoramic view. Hopefully, fingers crossed, weather's not gonna change. Let's go. You couldn't tell that it's end of December. We are sweating. The layers come off and we still got some deep incline to do. Okay guys, it's been almost an hour. We're almost by the lake, but we can't see the lake. The sun haven't hit that side of it and it's very foggy still.
Where is the lake? Higher up?
Yeah.
Just there?
Just like around this ridge.
Here, yeah.
But yeah, the weather is incredible.
I think we struck gold today because the sun itself is warm, there's no wind.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go in shade now, so it might get a bit more chilly.
In the sun, that sun has got warmth
It's just
to
insane.
I would say this is like a spring day.
Yeah,
Or an autumn day, not like a end of December winter's day.
But we're heading up there.
There's someone up there, can you see him?
Yeah, and then they'll see we're gonna either go back same way or gonna go all the way around.
I feel like if we're getting up there, that's the tough part. So it would be a waste not to walk the whole way around. If we're going up there, we might as well go the whole way.
Yeah, and enjoy the beautiful
It's probably going to
scenery.
take us the same amount of time to scramble up there, scramble back down, than it is just to take a nice walk. We'll see what it's like when we get to the top, maybe.
Yeah, let's
Give us
crack
all
on.
the time.
look at this. That's the thing, like if you've never been into this mountain, Cadair Idris, but if you never visited this place, you must see this lake. If you don't like the mountains, or if you're scared about it, don't bother climbing up there. Just to walk to this lake. Look at the view, once you get there, it's just incredible. But we're just gonna crack on walking down this ridge.
We want to get into that sunshine.
Yeah, and we need to get
see
up
what's
there.
the other side. I'm so excited.
If you never visited this lake before, that's a must visit lake.
Just come, yeah. Just come to this bit, have a spot of lunch, and leave.
But look at this view. Not a single cloud.
It's just.
And I think the view is gonna be.
Get so bored of us saying it's so nice and there's not a single.
How many
cloud,
times you said that?
I know.
It's very nice today. Once we get up there, the view is gonna be 360 like this, which I can't wait for. And I was thinking when we're gonna walk on the ridge, it's literally just a high point. Oh, you see some people up there. Let's go catch them. Alright, so looks like last steep and very slippery descent down before head up again, and that's gonna be the highest summit on this trail. So from there on we're gonna go all the way down. Let's push this last descent and see you at the top of Cadair Idris. Now we're starting to see the whole 360 view.
So cool.
Mental. Absolutely beautiful. Checkpoint. Need to touch it. There's like a building there. I don't know, is it like a bothy or something? We need to check it. Oh, there's a shelter.
Yes. So
Nice. Nice view from here. Alright, so I think now that we ticked the summit, we can find a nice little spot where we can sit down, have a little snack, 10 minutes of just sunshine, yeah. We have 2 more hours, more than 2.5 hours of sunlight. Have a little snack, little break. Yeah, and then we're gonna smash the way down to the van. And look, it looks nice and flat. So
flat enough.
let me tell you, it was a tough one.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that it was an easy one, and it ended up being 886 meters of elevation gain, 5 hours and 11 minutes, and it's 9.5 kilometers. The day was incredible for that.
Yeah, it was a perfect day.
Absolutely perfect day, but now we're knackered. I just can't wait to take me.
Starving as well. I'm so hungry.
Can't wait to take my boots off.
Mine are already off.
And get some food. Then we need to head on the park up for tonight, which is probably gonna be beach, somewhere by the sea. Yeah. We found the park up. It's definitely not the greatest one, and it's not as good as yesterday's one. It's just a lay-by, not far from the beach we want to visit tomorrow. But for now, we need to fuel ourselves because we both are starving. And to be honest, we haven't even showed you our new toy.
Let me just sit up for you. I'm feeling quite deceased. We got this tiny little air fryer from Aldi. I think it was like $17.99, wasn't it? It's quite small.
It might be even $16.99. But a very good thing about it, it's 900 watt.
We do have, or did have, another one in the cupboard, but that was the one that we used to use in the flat.
It was literally double the power.
Yeah, and it would drain all the power instantly, so this one does much better.
So we got some packed food for us.
Thank you to our friends for supplying us with the goods. This has come in handy for the second night in a row.
Yeah.
We weren't expecting to have to worry tonight. We were going to get like fish and chips or something from the local town, weren't we? But Boxing Day, it's a bit of hit and miss if everything's open.
Dead.
Everything's closed, so.
Yeah, we're gonna chuck that in the air fryer. Got some delicious salad. Look at this. Some delicious meat and chicken. Oh.
I could literally go to bed now and it's 20 to 7. Like, that's criminal.
It trained us completely. That's the thing, we haven't been for a long walk in a long time, and I know that probably you're saying that every single time we go for a walk. It's been
a while since we've done like a mountain or like a peak walk.
Yeah. I'm really looking forward for tomorrow. It's gonna be a very exciting day. So let's chuck everything in there. 860 watts. 10 minutes in air fryer. I consumed 13% of our power station. Yeah.
All the way through.
Yeah. That was our start of Wales trip.
I know we've got very boring now because we're both tired, but we had a really good day and we hope you enjoyed what we managed to capture.
Yeah, have you seen like what a beautiful day it was? So today we're going to continue our trip around Wales, but that's going to be on another episode. So to not miss these episodes, make sure to subscribe.
And just leave us a little like, just to let us know that you're here. That would be great.
See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.